In the world of real estate, having a plan is like having a secret weapon. Picture this: you start your day with a clear roadmap of tasks, appointments, and goals, ready to conquer whatever challenges come your way. It's a feeling of control and direction that's simply unbeatable. Now, contrast that with just winging it. Relying on luck alone in this industry is a recipe for disaster. Instead, having a checklist or plan not only keeps you organized but ensures you're maximizing your time and resources. You'll know exactly which leads to follow up on, which properties to research, and which marketing strategies to implement. Plus, a solid plan keeps you focused on your long-term goals, helping you prioritize actions that truly propel your career forward. Remember, every decision you make in real estate can have a ripple effect on your success. So, why leave it up to chance? Take control, create a plan, and watch your career soar to new heights. Embrace the power of planning, and you'll never have to roll the dice again. Until next time, keep hustling and chasing those dreams. You've got this.